Take the rain on the roof of this empty house, and that don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then and just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you gone still upsets me. 7 days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most is to be so close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been. Happy that loving you is what I was trying to do. Still to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. It's hard to force that smile when I see our old friends and I'm alone. Still harder getting up, getting dressed, getting with this regret. But I know if I could do it over, I would trade, give away all the words that I saved in my mind. That's unspoken. What hurts the most is to be so close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been. Happy that loving you is what I was trying to do. Oh, hey, yeah. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you gone still upsets me. Those days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most was being so close and having so much to say, and watching you